You wake up, and the first thing you do is reach for your phone. News, social media, messages. Most of it is noise. But what if the very first English your brain heard every morning was something that actually made you feel something? Something powerful, something true, something that made you sit up a little straighter and think, yes, I needed to hear that today. That is exactly what this video is. 100 of the most powerful motivational quotes ever spoken in English. Each one chosen because it is not just beautiful, it is true. Each one spoken slowly, clearly, so you can shadow it, repeat it, own it, and carry it with you into your morning, into your day, into your English life. Your morning just got better. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Ember. We are doing something I have wanted to make for a long time. 100 motivational English quotes to shadow every morning. Here's how it works. I read each quote slowly and clearly. You repeat it out loud, trying to match the rhythm, the feeling, and the energy of the words. Not just the sound, the meaning, too. Let each quote land. Let it mean something. Then say it like you mean it. Because here's what I know about these quotes. They were not written to sit quietly on a page. They were written to be spoken, to be felt, to be lived. So open your mouth, sit up straight, take a breath, and let us fill your morning with the most powerful English in the world. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. It always seems impossible until it is done. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Do not wait. The time will never be just right. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. You're never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving them. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Dream big, start small, but most of all, start. You miss 100% of the shots you do not take. Whether you think you can or you think you cannot, you are right. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. I am not a product of my circumstances. I am a product of my decisions. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Small steps in the right direction can turn out to be the biggest step of your life. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Great things never come from comfort zones. Your only limit is your mind. The key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is taking action in spite of it. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that do not work. It is not whether you get knocked down, it is whether you get up. When everything feels like an uphill struggle, just think of the view from the top. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. The pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. Strength does not come from what you can do, it comes from overcoming the things you once thought you could not. You were given this life because you are strong enough to live it. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. Every champion was once a contender that refused to give up. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. Tough times never last, but tough people do. Character cannot be developed in ease and quiet. Only through experience of trial and suffering can the soul be strengthened. Storms make trees take deeper roots. The gem cannot be polished without friction, nor man perfected without trials. Out of difficulties grow miracles. Rock bottom became the solid foundation on which I rebuilt my life. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. When you come to the end of your rope, tie a knot and hang on. You are stronger than you think, braver than you believe, and smarter than you know. The moment you give up is the moment you let someone else win. 50 quotes. Halfway there. Take a breath and notice how you feel. That energy in your chest. That quiet, growing confidence. That is your English and your spirit waking up together. Keep going. 50 more. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. Change is the end result of all true learning. The expert in anything was once a beginner. Every master was once a disaster. You do not have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. A year from now, you may wish you had started today. Whoever is happy will make others happy too. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I have learned about life. It goes on. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. Get busy living or get busy dying. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. If life were predictable, it would cease to be life and be without flavor. If you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. If you want to lift yourself up, lift up someone else. Everything you have ever wanted is on the other side of fear. When I dare to be powerful, to use my strength in the service of my vision, it becomes less and less important whether I am afraid. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. You are the sum total of everything you have ever seen, heard, eaten, smelled, been told, forgot. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot in it and hang on. Always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else. Do not judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds that you plant. Build your own dreams, or someone else will hire you to build theirs. The best revenge is massive success. 80% of success is just showing up. I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. When you are going through hell, keep going. We accept the love we think we deserve. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. No matter what people tell you, words and ideas can change the world. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. First, they ignore you. Then they laugh at you. Then they fight you. Then you win. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. When one door of happiness closes, another opens. But often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. You are enough. You have always been enough. Go and show the world. 100. 100 of the most powerful sentences in the English language, and you said every single one. Out loud, in English. Do you understand what that means? It means you started your day differently from most people. While others filled their morning with noise and distraction, you filled yours with courage, with wisdom, with English, with the words of some of the greatest minds who ever lived. And those words, every single one, are now inside you, in your mouth, in your memory, in your English voice. The last quote today was number 100, and I wrote it myself because I wanted the last thing you heard today to be about you. You are enough. You have always been enough. Go and show the world. Come back tomorrow morning. Make this your daily ritual. 100 quotes every morning, and watch what happens to your English and your life. If this video helped you today, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a morning practice. And share this with one person who needs a powerful morning today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for speaking. Thank you for choosing to grow. I will see you tomorrow morning. Bye for now. And go be extraordinary today.